Hi there students. In this video I wanted to look at the adjective versed. To be well versed in something. We'll look at the associated verb to verse, and I guess as well the noun verse, but the noun verse, that's slightly different. Okay, if you're versed in something, you're very knowledgeable about it, you're experienced, you're skilled, you know a lot about it. So I am very versed, I am well versed with the ins and outs of the English language. If you are well versed with English grammar, or well versed in English grammar, I think in is better, you will find speaking English much easier. Okay, so if you're versed, you are skilled at it, you have knowledge which you've gained by studying, by experience, by being closely connected with. So, as my father was a stockbroker, I'm well versed in the world of the stock exchange. A company lawyer should be very well versed in company law, should understand it very well. Okay, a geologist will be well versed in rocks and different minerals. Okay, so if you're well versed in something, you understand it, you know it very well, you have it very clearly in your mind. Okay, so if you're versed in something, or well versed, you know a lot about it. Unfortunately, I'm not very versed in the different styles of music. You need to talk to somebody who is more versed in this subject than I am, more knowledgeable, more experienced, more skilled, more seasoned. Okay, so somebody who's versed is thoroughly knowledgeable. You're acquainted with, you're versed in something. So he is versed in immigration law. It's something that he knows a lot about. He's got a lot of experience. Being well versed in Greek and Latin is a great advantage if you're going to if you want to learn other languages later in life. So, as a verb, to verse, to educate, to teach somebody. Okay, so to teach about, he versed us in the finer points of English pronunciation. I'm pretty well versed in English pronunciation as well. Okay, now we have a verse, a poetic line. So most of what Shakespeare wrote was in verse, in short lines with a regular rhythm. It was poetical, so comic verse. Shakespeare wrote in verse. The verse are the parts that a poem or a song is divided into. So would you please read me the first 3 verses of the song? Sing me the first 3 verses. He quoted a verse from the Quran, so a short part of the writing of a holy book. Okay, so it's the verse, it's the parts which a poem, a song is divided into. But that you know. So, versed. If you're versed in something, you're acquainted with it. You know it very well. Versed in, being versed in Arabic it would be a good thing. Knowledgeable, experienced, skilled. Conversant with. He's versed in many musical instruments. He knows a lot about all of them. So, versed, formality. He's versed in this. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. I think use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, this idea of versed being skilled at, from Latin versatus, from versare, to be engaged in. Yeah. Okay, and then if you look at a verse, the written verse, that is a versus in Latin, a verse, yeah, or from verdere, to turn. It's actually a line of the plough, a turn of the plough, yeah, verdere, to turn. So I hope this has given you more insight into the English language, and you are now better versed with the meaning of this word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Versed, to verse, verse.